Hey guys, another little something that we have figured out with the D168 is background images. So I'm going to show you how to get your own custom background and boot images onto the 168. All right, so when you're in the software here, go to Tools. You've got a boot image screen you can get here, and if you open image, you can grab one from whatever you've already engineered. I believe these were roughly 100 by 100, if I remember right. And then you can just write that into the radio. Again, this is my boot screen. So we'll see what she looks like booting up here. There we go. Looks pretty slick. Now under your general options here, I can't remember if I had to do this to get it to cut on or not, but your power on interface, I changed that over to custom picture. Now as far as background, you've got two different pictures you can upload. I personally like something a little darker. This one will let you see the white text over the screen, but it's still something kind of neat. You're going to want to go back into optional settings now, over to display, and then scroll on down here to standby background picture, and pick the slot that you uploaded the picture you want in your background. When that's all said and done, you can kind of see it there in the background, but it's not impeding my ability to read the screen, so job done there.